In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Twitter card in Rank Math. If you want your links to look clean and compelling when they're shared on Twitter, you'll love how simple this is. A Twitter card lets you control the preview image, title, and description that appear next to your link, which can boost visibility and clicks while keeping your brand presentation consistent. First, head over to rankmath.com in your browser. This is the central hub for Rank Math's resources and documentation. It's useful to know where to find their guides and best practices, especially if you want deeper context later. Once you're familiar with that, switch to your WordPress dashboard where you'll actually make the change. In the dashboard, click Post to open your list of articles. Choose the post you want to optimize and click Edit. It's smart to start with a post that already brings in some traffic or one you plan to promote soon. Improving how it appears on social can have an immediate impact on engagement. Inside the editor, look to the top right corner and click the three dots icon to open the additional options menu. From there, click Rank Math. This opens the Rank Math panel right inside the editor so you don't have to jump between screens. If you don't see the panel at first, scroll the sidebar or expand any collapsed sections until Rank Math is visible. It integrates directly into this area of the editor. In the Rank Math panel, select the social section. This is where you tell social platforms how to display your content when it's shared. These settings don't alter your on-page content, they simply guide how your preview appears off-site. Next, choose the Twitter tab. While platforms like Facebook depend on Open Graph, Twitter uses its own format, so this tab ensures your preview is correctly tailored for Twitter's feed and cards. Now pick your preferred card type. You'll usually see summary and summary with large image. Summary is compact and places a small thumbnail beside your text, which can work well for newsy updates or posts where the headline does the heavy lifting. Summary with large image gives your featured image more real estate, making it ideal for most blogs, landing pages, and visually strong brands. Whichever you choose, Rank Math automatically applies the correct metadata so Twitter can display your post exactly as intended. That's it. With your card type set, your link will present the style you selected whenever it's shared on Twitter, helping your content stand out and earn more clicks.